First up, I'm going to use the new Biker Babe palette. I love this palette. It's crazy pigmented. Then I'm going to take Harley Baby, which is this soft orange, and I'm going to work that into my crease. This is going to be like a very dramatic gold look. I thought it was perfect for the end of summer, and I felt like it would suit everyone's like skin tones, and it's just really pretty and super easy to do. So yeah, then I'm going to take this goldish color, and it's called Cafe Eraser, and you can see it is so pigmented, you guys. Look at that. And then I'm just going to buff out that edge. I used my finger. I love working with my finger with pigmented shimmery shades. It just makes life easier. Then I'm going to take Throttle, and this is more of a yellowy gold, and I'm going to put that onto my inner corner, just like 1/3 of the way, and I'm just going to pop it on top, and this is just going to let like the browns and the golds and the bronzes all just kind of work their magic when it's in the sunlight and just look so glowy and fun. Then I'm going to take Armoire or Armor, I think it's Armor. I'm an idiot, I can't read. And then I'm going to pop that onto the last outer third and then take my blending brush and just blend it all together. This is so easy, everyone can do it. Then I'm taking Twisty and I'm just going to layer that on top just to make sure there's no hard edges. All the shimmery stuff is all smooth. So I already did what I did. I just wanted to show you guys some new products. I'm going to take this one by First Aid Beauty, and it's their almond concealer, and you guys, it is so just hydrating. I think this is my new favorite concealer. It has such good coverage and it doesn't leave my under eyes really dried out, and I think it hides my bags, and I have a lot of bags because I have been sick with this head cold. So I think it did an incredible job and I'm really happy with it. So I'm just packing a little powder over my face just to set everything in place. I'm not using any translucent powder or anything like that. I'm not doing like a harsh contour. Then I'm going to take this Almay bronzer, and I forgot I had this. I had used it before, but I felt like I never used it in a video. So I'm going to pop this all over my face just to bring my face back to life. I love that it's a bronzer, but it has just subtle hints of shimmer in it. So it's going to make your face not look so flat, and it's going to give you that glow back, because once you kind of start adding a lot of powders, your face can look like a sheet kind of. Then I'm going to take Twisty again, and I'm just going to run that underneath my lower lash line and kind of connect it. This is just going to kind of put the whole picture together, if that makes any sense to you guys. But yeah, it just kind of combines everything. I don't know what I'm trying to say really. Then I'm going to take that Cafe Eraser, and I'm just going to pop that right on top, just because I have brown eyes and I don't want to close off my eyes with these lashes because they are really heavy and kind of like boom. So this is just going to help really make my eyes stand out and look a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to take that next goldy yellow color, and I'm going to place that in the inner corner. Again, this is just going to make your eyes appear a little bit bigger, and it's really going to help them stand out, because when you wear thick lashes, it can close your eyes off pretty easily. Then I'm going to use my Iconic London, and you guys are going to think it's weird that I'm putting like a liquid over top. Whoa, you just need a little bit. I was like, damn. I forgot how a little bit goes a really long way with these guys, but it's kind of cool. This liquid turns almost into a powder when you apply it onto your skin, and it gives you just like such an intense glow. But again, don't follow my lead, just use a little bit. But if you do use a little bit more than you meant to, just take a little beauty blender and kind of push it away. So I love these guys. I cannot wait to show you. So these are the new Buxom pillow pouts, and they go on as powder, but they also make your lips feel and tingle like a little bit bigger. So I am going to use Soft Whisper, which was the light pink, and then on my outer corners I'm going to use Cozy Up. I love this. They make you look kind of like you've been sucking on a lollipop. They just look so natural, and like you can kiss your baby girl and you're not going to like transfer the lipstick on to her pretty skin. So I love these lippies. So I love you guys. I hope you like this look, and I'll see you soon.